having
Hello,
the different
hello,
density.
sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, can you explain the centrifugation again? Because my it was showing connecting, then nothing error it is coming. So you can explain the centrifugation again.
centrifugation is the process by which we can separate homogeneous mixture, okay, liquid homogeneous mixture. But the uh, point is liquids have been different in their density. That means if two liquids, suppose A and B is mixed up, so if they have in the different density, then only we can use centrifugation process. In this process, one centrifuge tube, we will take one centrifuge tube, suppose like this, and we place that mixture in this and rotate this centrifuge tube at high speed, rotating at high speed. After the rotation, the heavier density particles go to the bottom of that tube, and lighter density particles will go to the upper of that tube. Okay, this is low density, this is high density, and by this process we can separate out. Like example, by this process, creams are separated from milk. Cream is separated from milk. Okay, washing. This process is useful in washing machine. In washing machine, the water molecules or water particles uh, squeezes out from the wet cloth by this process. Okay, washing machine. In washing machine, the process is centrifugation. Fan चाली तो स्लो तो ले. Fan स्लो तो चाली दो. Centrifugation होता है washing. In washing machine also centrifugation process is useful. Okay, so this is total about solid liquid mixture. Next, so liquid mixture. Separation of liquid mixture. First process is separating funnel. Okay. First process is separating funnel. Separating funnel is useful for liquid heterogeneous mixture. Sorry, here the centrifugation process I told. This is uh, liquids having different density, liquids and solid. Okay, this was the solid liquid mixture, na? Solid liquids having different density because stream, that is the solid particles. Okay, it was the solid liquid mixture. Okay, not the liquid. Solid liquids having different densities. So when we rotate at high speed, generally liquid particles go to the bottom, and the lower density of solid particles, lower density of, this is solid. Okay, solid with low density. इसे थोड़ा रिकरेक्ट कर लो. Solid with low density. Homogeneous mixture or solid liquids having different in their densities. Okay, so solid with low density comes above the liquid with the, this is liquid. Low density is solid particles, low density, and the liquid having the high density. For them, this process is useful. Okay, so sorry, made some correction in centrifugation, that this is the useful for the homogeneous mixture, but for solid liquid homogeneous mixture, where solid and liquids having the different densities, and when we rotate this mixture in centrifuge machine high speed, then solids with low density come above the liquid with high density. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay. Next, separating funnel. Here the liquid heterogeneous mixture is present. Okay, liquid heterogeneous mixture means immiscible liquid. Okay, immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids with different in their densities. With different in their densities. So here a separating funnel we will take like this. This is separating funnel. Okay. In this funnel, we will take that liquid mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Two mixture, two liquid. So suppose this is the one liquid that is in green color, and there is another liquid which is in red color. Okay, so they are different in their densities. This is also useful for the liquids having different densities. So the heavier density liquid placed at the or same at the bottom of that funnel, and the lighter density will be above. So we will separate by this knob. When we open this knob, the green liquid will be separated out and red one will be left over. Okay, this is by separating funnel. When we open this stopper, then the green liquid will be separated out and the red will be left over. This is the process of separating funnel, by the separating funnel. Next, Next process is fractional distillation. We have read about only distillation, that was for solid liquid homogeneous mixture. Here we will read about fractional distillation. This is for liquid homogeneous mixture. Okay, homogeneous mixture having differ in their boiling point. Okay, you have to just remember this important point. Separating funnel is useful. Different density heterogeneous mixture, and fractional distillation different boiling point homogeneous mixture.
Sir, I cannot see that side words.
Yes, repeat please.
Sir, I cannot see that side words. Sir, right side words I cannot see. Yes, sir, now I can.
So what we will do in fractional distillation now, suppose we have three liquid mixtures, suppose A, B and C. This is a liquid mixture where boiling point of A is suppose 100 degrees Celsius, B is 75 degrees Celsius and C is 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, all of them having different boiling. Now we will heat after taking that mixture ABC in this tube, and where from here that distillation, that means evaporation, will be collected, vapors will be collected by that condenser. Okay, by that condenser. Here we supply heat, strong heat, and this is the liquid ABC, homogeneous mixture say ABC. Okay, and here the supplier tube, water, this is cold water, and this will be emitted out hot water or steam. Here evaporation. Now tell me which of these three liquid will evaporate first? First evaporation किसका होगा out of ABC? Hmm? A था, B था या C था? Which liquid will boil first or evaporate first?
Sir, A.
No,
Sir, C.
C. Because C is the has the lower temperature, lower boiling point. No. So when we
Sir,
supply in heat,
सर बट
yes,
इन स्कूल सर स्कूल में बोला है कि वो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में 30 से ज्यादा का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए.
हाँ होना चाहिए डेफिनेटली 30 डिग्री से ज़्यादा डेफिनेशन होता है. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल्स के हिसाब से समझा रहे हैं, मतलब कि क्या होता है वो प्रोसेस समझा रहे हैं. तो उस हिसाब से लेना है तो ले लेते हैं 170 और इसको ले लेते हैं 40. चलो ठीक है. नाउ the liquid which has lower boiling point, it will first start to boil ना, because 100 डिग्री अगर रीच कर दिया तो ये 40-70 भी तो रीच कर चुका है, तब तो तीनों बॉयल करेगा. ओके, जब 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर रीच कर दिया मिक्सचर का, तब तो ये 40 भी पार हो चुका है, 70 भी पार हो चुका है, तब तो ये दोनों भी बॉयल करेगा. लेकिन जब 40 डिग्री ये टेम्परेचर है, when the liquid mixture having the temperature 40 degree Celsius, then only this liquid will boils and evaporation, then collected by the condenser. So C will be separated out. After that, when temperature slowly increases to 70, then B will be separated out. After that, when 100, then A will be separated out. So liquid with lower boiling point will be separated out first. Okay. After the collecting total vapors of that liquid C. After then B, then C. Okay. By this process, we will separate our petroleum oil like kerosene, petrol, having their different in their boiling point. Okay. बॉयल करने के बाद फिर से उसको हम लोग टूल करते हैं. Clear है? Liquids with the lower boiling point will be separated out first. And having the different in boiling point 30 degrees. Difference in boiling point is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay, this is the separating funnel, liquid heterogeneous mixture. Example, oil in water.
Sir, my some part is left in the fractional distillation.
Separating funnel is useful for oil in water, and fractional distillation is useful for the separation of petroleum oil. Petroleum oil separation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In our next class, we will discuss about the chromatography. That is the last portion of the separation of liquid mixture and separation of liquid gas mixture. Okay, that is all for today. Chromatography is the long portion that will be not completed today in next 5 minutes. That's why it will be started in the next class. Till now, have any doubts? So you can say. If there is any doubt, so you can say. No doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, note down हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में.
Bye, sir.
बाय बाय.